Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Galang Sofian and I'm from class 9.2 and I can want to explain the material that I got from school. At school I can absorb a lot of subjects because there are many teachers who teach in my class. By teaching me I can take knowledge that is useful for me that except on the sport, science and English. Mathematics because it is very easy to understand for children class who are still liking to think harder with how are still liking to think harder with things like that. I can be glad that lesson are different to take from the science because you have to understand the memorize all the dash formulas the same as the relationship advanced science and English which consists of several examples and the material that are very difficult to understand it before by understanding physical education and an initial language lesson. It will make it easier to learn and take knowledge that learn mathematics can make it easier for you to learn and I really like learning mathematics because it is make my brain become dark because there are many things that must but because of the I can be understood but because that offers I can conclude that the lessons that me very well. In fact, B lesson or sport lesson and are different from the science lesson which must understand temperature or other not clearly understand natural science and mathematics that acronym and English that must understand foreign language. You can the math lesson, science and thing and list code. However, if you go to kindergarten, they have also start beginning basic. You can get Malaysian sign entering electrical school. Even if you go to kindergarten that have also started beginning basic mathematics. Many people who feel math lesson boring and end up not liking math lesson, even though there are many forms that you learn math. If you don't believe it, try to see the examples below. Reason to like math. Listen frankly the learning mathematics. Do you know? If you like math, it will be easier for you to learn math. In in my life, this is because you are passionate about reading lesson so that it will make it easier for you to understand more and the activities in lesson. Useful is almond in major believe it or not mathematics is a very useful subject for the those of you how want to continue studying in college or want to enter vocational high school. Almond major are still studying mathematics. You know, for example, you want to enter the department of communication science because you think you will never meet. You're not wrong because this is department you will study standing, so mathematics is useful to learn. Serving in brain ability when you often study math and read practice question. Of brain ability will also help because in Rio are looking for always to solve the problem things cars in how problem solving skill and will you become stronger to looking to first to solve of problem of losing is of the most important and useful skill you know practice and accuracy when you study mathematics without raising it you will also practice your practice way because when learning math you have to do it pertinent and not in a hurry and you are important and just want to fast then the result can be wrong because you are not careful and grounding so you really need practice and toughness in working on math problem.